Hey beautiful people, if you're waiting for the FabFitFun Summer 2026 box spoilers, you're in the right place cause the dates are officially out and spoiler season starts tomorrow. Let's quickly break everything down so you don't miss a single update. So first, the early spoiler week starts from tomorrow. Early spoiler 1 will be released on April 1st, which is tomorrow. Early spoiler 2 will be released on April 2nd. Early spoiler 3 will be released on April 3rd. Early spoiler 4 will be released on April 4th. And early spoiler 5 will be released on April 5th. And then, starting from April 6th, we move into full spoiler week. Customization 6, 5, and 4 will be revealed on April 6th. Customization 3 will be revealed on April 7th. Customization 2 will be revealed on April 8th. And customization 1 will be revealed on April 9th. So basically, from April 1st to April 9th, we're getting new reveals every single day. If you love FabFitFun spoilers, deals, and unboxings, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. I'll be posting daily spoiler breakdowns. Now, let's talk about add-ons and customization dates. For annual members, add-ons access will start from April 16th to April 21st, and customization will start from April 17th to April 21st. For seasonal members, add-ons access will start from April 22nd till March 5th, and customization will start from April 24th to May 5th. Alright, now here's the fun part. Based on some teaser images from FabFitFun, it looks like we might be getting some summer essentials, maybe things like sunglasses, summer hat, a lip balm, a cute necklace, possibly a beach towel, ice cream balls. And I'm already in love with the necklace and sunglasses. It's giving full summer vibes already. And again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications cause I'll be covering every single spoiler as it drops. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think will be in the summer 2026 box? And what are you hoping to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and blessings, my friends.